Hey guys, welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. This short video will show you what to do if your iPhone X gets stuck on the black screen of death after the iOS 14 update. Most of the time, when an iPhone refuses to turn back on after it has shut itself down, it's due to a firmware crash. We often refer to this problem as the black screen of death because the device will not respond. But don't worry, it's not as serious as it seems. Here's what you need to do. First solution: force restart your iPhone. Most of the time, when a high-end smartphone like the iPhone gets stuck on a black and unresponsive screen, it's due to a firmware crash. You can fix it by doing the forced restart. To do so, quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will force the phone to boot up. When the Apple logo shows, release the power key and wait until your iPhone finishes the reboot. In most cases, this procedure will fix the problem. So if you're able to make the logo show on the screen, that's a sign that the problem is fixed. However, if your iPhone remains unresponsive and stuck on a black screen, what you need to do next is charge it and do the forced restart while it's connected to the charger. Here's how. Plug the charger to a working wall outlet and connect your iPhone to it using the original cable. Regardless of whether the iPhone shows the charging sign or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After that, do the forced restart again while the iPhone is still connected to the charger. If the problem is just due to a minor issue caused by the new update, then it should be booting up by now. But if your iPhone X is still stuck on the black screen of death after doing these procedures, then the problem can be with the hardware. With that, you need to have the device checked. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.